Hello, what's up? So it is today. We just came to a new place just to explore with my colleagues. I mean, with my childhood friend. So you can see here, it's basically a Baki River, bank of the Baki. Okay, let me shift the camera. Okay, yeah, there's my bike. Actually, that's high road. Wow, that's beautiful, right? Yeah, look at those trees just behind me. Thanks to all those people who planted all this. They're naturally beautiful. Okay, and that's also beneficial for us. Provide oxygen to us. That's good. Good to look. Good to look at them. Okay, there are my friends. So they're searching for a new place just to explore for photography. Okay, there's cow. She's grazing in the field. Okay, just look at the bank is how beneficiary. It's full of beauty with its own potential. There's a lot of grasses being ate by those animals. That's too beneficiary for us. Ultimately, they will give milk to us. So they're posing for photography. They are actually my friends. He is Mr. Ashraful SRK. We call him as Shah Rukh Khan SRK. He's posing like SRK basically, and he is the die-hard fan of Virat Kohli. The day he just home, we have already uploaded a video. Okay, he is Mr. Rakibuddin, a die-hard fan of RCB. Okay, so we have found the new photography spot. There's a masterpiece photography spot. So Mr. Rakibuddin is standing there. Okay, I'll shoot you a photography. Let me shift. Okay, one click done. Another. He's feeling like he would be falling down. But he is not falling down cause he's a big star, just like stronger, just like Rocky, just like Yash, rocking star Yash. And there is another one, that's SRK, and there is another one diehard fan of that's called Virat Kohli, and he's rocking star Yash. Okay, it's my turn to stay there and have a photography. Okay, and you will be clicking some beautiful photos of mine.
Honestly, I cannot. Not good.
Okay, SRK will be clicking photos of mine, and this is the spot. Let me stand there first. Okay, Ashraful, you just hold it. Click some beautiful photos.
Okay, I'm gonna click some photos.
All right, so after long, we're feeling so hungry, so we just came to field just to have all this. There's one kempa and 3 cake, not one. For each person there is one kempa, and for each person there is one cake. All right, so it was it today. We enjoyed a lot with our childhood friend. There's Mr. Rakibuddin and there is Mr. Ashraful SRK. So after a long time of photo shoot and enjoyment, it's time to go home. So have a good day. Bye bye. Eid Mubarak.